One of the biggest mistakes I see people relocating to the Charlotte area make repeatedly is overpaying for a used home just because it's closer to the city. Hey, I'm Jimmy Grappone with True Homes, and I work with people all the time who are relocating to Charlotte from other areas. I specialize in the Edgewater Golf and Lake lifestyle community located in Lancaster, South Carolina, just an hour from uptown Charlotte and downtown Columbia, South Carolina, and within 30 minutes of places like Waxhaw, Indian Land, and Rock Hill, South Carolina. Right behind me is a Cyprus 1347 floor plan. This is a 2-bedroom home with 2 full baths, 1,651 square feet, has a loft up above the garage. It's going to be completed in middle of May. I'm filming this right now towards late April. So some of the finishes are not completely in there yet, but we'll be able to go in. We'll be able to see the flow of the home and why this is such an amazing value. So this home is located in the Cottage Greens neighborhood in Edgewater, which is a master plan community located in Lancaster, South Carolina, just about an hour from uptown Charlotte. This community features an 18-hole championship golf course, the Brickwood Restaurant, a marina with covered docks and boat slips, a dry storage area, paddle and racket pickleball and tennis facility, home to future retail, home to an additional 9-hole golf course, home to the Gathering Green, which is a social district, and so much more. But let's focus on this home. This is the Cyprus. See this hardy plank fiber cement siding. This has a really gorgeous front elevation on this home. 2-car garage and covered porch here. Keep in mind this home is not completed. In fact, the electricity is not on yet. And there's still cardboard down covering up the floors, but you enter into this nice wide entryway. There's a bedroom here at the front of the home. And right across the hall is a full bathroom. Coat closet right there. Spacious 2-car garage. The gas hot water heater. Tankless gas hot water heater. Laundry on the main floor. Here are the steps going up to the loft. And as you enter into your main living space, you've got a dining room that's right off the kitchen with this huge island. So you have integrated eating where the kitchen, the island, and the dining room are all connected. 2-tone cabinets, so you have the white cabinets going around the perimeter, and you have the light gray island. White subway tile backsplash. There will be a gas range stove that will go right there. Sink is on the perimeter looking out these windows. Nice view, no homes directly behind you. The great room with the coffered ceiling. So we have 9-foot ceilings throughout the home, and then the coffered ceilings go up about another 1.5 feet. And there is a covered porch that you can access just off the great room, but you can also access it from the primary bedroom. Here's your primary bedroom. Large walk-in closet. Deeper than you would expect. And then here's the primary bedroom with a dual bowl vanity and a walk-in shower. Then here's your covered porch access. Nice size covered porch and extended patio. And all this clay right here, all the red dirt, that is the yard here, which will be sodded with Bermuda grass. No homes directly behind you. This is the road coming through the cottages, so you've got some nice trees back here. That is common area on the other side of that silt fence. And if you wanted to even cover that gap right there, you could plant some trees right in between. Nice side yard as well. So if you have pets, if you like to garden, if you need a place for kids to run around, or if you just enjoy having a little bit of outdoor space. You certainly have it here in this home. And now we can take a look at the second floor. There is an option if you're building this floor plan with this loft where you can add a powder room, which is a half bath, or you can put a full bathroom. You could even put a full bathroom and a closet to make this into a bedroom. But if you only need 2 bedrooms, you have those downstairs, and this makes a great extra hangout space. Could be a gym, could be a home office, could be another den. So that's a look at the Cyprus floor plan. This is a Cyprus 1347, which is the version that has the finished room over the garage. We can also build a Cyprus with a full upstairs. It's gonna have a bathroom, a bedroom, and a loft. Or you can do it all on one level. This exact home is available for purchase right now. I'm filming this on April 27th, 2026. The home is gonna be completed in mid to late May, and the retail price is $384,900. For a home like this in Charlotte, brand new, you'd likely be paying over $500,000. It's an amazing value and an amazing lifestyle community that is Edgewater, that you won't find anything else like it throughout the Carolinas, North Carolina or South Carolina. I'm telling you, there's no other master plan community that has the lake, the golf course, the restaurant, the pickleball, the social area, future retail coming, future 9-hole golf course coming, so much more. And we're just scratching the surface in this community. We're only built out about 25% with around 1,000 homeowners in here right now. When we're all said and done, we're gonna be over 4,000 homes in this community. We'll be building for the next 5 to 10 years out here. It's an amazing community, an amazing place. If you'd like more information about it, contact me directly at 704-313-8514. Thanks so much for watching, and don't sleep on this home or any other one before it's too late. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.